It was huge. Oh, dang it.
What is your forecast? I need a major change. I can't stand no more rain. Everything's been going wrong. Is it something in the old song? Or is the atmospheric pressure just too strong? I can't ride out one more storm. 'Cause I've had too many highs and too many lows. Too many storms and tornadoes.
Here's one of them, y'all.
I need some blue skies and sunshine. I need a good forecast tonight.
He was talking. Bye, he blown kisses.